На коне!
Нет, скажи за Россию.
За Россию!
Пью за медведя.
За Россию.
Россию, за Россию!
So on today's video, Litecoin is forming this bullish pattern. This pattern is called a falling wedge pattern, and this pattern is playing out on the weekly charts. This could be a pattern which would take Litecoin to $2,000 within 2022 or until next year. So stay tuned to find out on how I'm going to trade this pattern. Let's roll the cameras. So I hope you're having a good day. This is me, Digital Digits, bringing you a weekly video on Litecoin. Please make sure to like and subscribe down below before I start the video. As you can see, it's clearly obvious that Litecoin was in an impulsive move which started at around the 21st of September 2020 and ended at the 17th of May 2021. And now it looks like Litecoin isn't in a parabolic phase anymore, and it looks like Litecoin is forming a corrective pattern. Corrective phases in the market occur a lot, and they take the most amount of time to play out, because as you can see, the impulse occurred. Now we're in a corrective phase where we are forming this type of falling wedge pattern. And if you look at this pattern resembles a falling wedge pattern where we're seeing lower lows and higher lows. So this clearly is identified as a falling wedge pattern and has a bullish breakout target, or it could be a bullish pennant where the previous structure was a impulsive wave followed by a corrective wave. Now we are looking for an impulsive wave which will take us to a price target of $2,000 within the current year, because as you can see from our previous structure, Litecoin was in a sort of a corrective pattern once again before we had the previous impulsive pattern. Because as you can see, Litecoin is having these boom and bust momentum waves. As you can see, Litecoin had an impulsive move, corrective move, which is this bullish flag, and then when we broke above it, we had an impulsive move. Now once more again, the same thing is occurring. So probably by, I don't know the time, but Litecoin will escape this triangle or pennant or falling wedge pattern and have another impulsive move to the upside. Time and time again, these type of patterns tend to repeat in the market. So if you're looking for like long positions for Litecoin, this could be the perfect time for you to position yourself as a position trader and possibly hold this position to all-time highs and possibly take profit at around the $2,000 levels or lower. So as you can see, this is a type of market structure that Litecoin is printing out. And this could be a place where you could start placing your positions. So this is a very bullish video today because I personally believe that Litecoin is still in a bullish market. And as you can see, I'm using Fibonacci's where they tend to play out where price retest all the previous levels. As in our last previous structure, Litecoin retested the $36 level before it went to $400. So now if you take the lowest swing, which was $25, to the highest swing, we could see that Litecoin has had multiple retests of the 78.6 level, and which shows sign that price did have a retracement and bounced off at those levels twice, which could be some sort of a double bottom pattern forming or a potential reversal for the Litecoin price. So that's the scenario that's playing out right now. So what could be our targets if we use Fibonacci levels from our previous and last two structures? So if we take the highest high when we reached it was 2019, and the lowest low of the COVID crash, price reversed at around the 2.61.8 level. So if we predict that price could reach those levels once again, we could see Litecoin hitting price targets of around $900. So that's the minimum targets that Litecoin could reach for the foreseeable future. So I personally believe that price will have a parabolic rally when we reach those price levels. Because every time in the crypto markets, before we see a top out move, we tend to see a blow off top where price goes vertically up for a few days, then gets a severe correction. So that phase will take us possibly to the $2,000 levels or maybe above. I personally believe that phase will occur possibly next year or this year. But if this doesn't occur, we could set a possible target of $101,400 for Litecoin within this year and the beginning of 2023. Personally believe the bear market will start personally at the end of this year or the beginning of 2023. That will be the place where you could exit all of your position trades for the crypto market. And I personally believe that's the area where Bitcoin will top up. Bitcoin will also top out at around those time zones. But time is a unpredictable constant, and it's very unpredictable to predict because time is unpredictable. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. So this is my price prediction for 2020 and what I'll be looking out for the Litecoin price within 2022. So this will be it for today's video. Always and always stay digital.